Green, hairy leaves are used as swabs. These leaves are poisonous if taken internally, but considered to have great healing power. The operation is about to begin. The universe holds its breath at the audacity of man. No anesthesia here, no hypnosis, only the psychosomatic belief and faith in one man, the witch doctor. Opening of the cranial cavity is the most delicate of operations. Modern surgical requirements are one sterile nurse, one instrument nurse, two circulating nurses, not sterile, one anesthesiologist, the chief surgeon, his personal assistant, a resident neurosurgeon, the interning physician attached to his staff. Operating facilities, the low minimal requirements, surgical lamps, sufficient power to operate, one tank medical oxygen, blood of the proper type and factor, 500 units. Opening time, approximately 3 hours, depending, of course, on lack of complication. Surgery varies. Closing time, 2 hours or more. After 3.5 hours, the patient is tired. She is given something to drink, some water. The witch doctor and his assistants take time out to wet their mouths with beer. They are as casual as their patient, all evidently sharing the same complete confidence in the skill of the witch doctor. The surgical team enjoys the beer. The patient is given some gruel called uji. Obediently, the patient resumes her position for the continuation of surgery. Skull surgery. Trepanation in the outback. No oxygen, no surgical lights, no scrub nurses, no anesthesiologists, no neurosurgeons, not even sanitary, sterile conditions. And yet, the chances of survival? 96%. Better than in a London hospital. So say the old Africans. Europe, America, New Africa. They all know much, but understand little. The patient's head is washed clean with the old scrub water. Warthog fat is used as a dressing. What condition is the operation directed against? Anything from cancer of the brain to simple headache. Strips of banana leaves are used to bind the wound shut. No stitches here. And after 7.5 hours, with a large hole in her skull, there for the rest of her life, the patient walks away. And it is a time for the doctor. Time for him to show the results of his skill. Other trepanations, others with permanent holes in their skulls. Holes covered so thinly by scalp that each person must wear a head garment to protect his brain from the sun. There are such examples of the doctor's skill. One person has had 13 such operations, a hero of his people. It is an honor for a people to have a great and successful witch doctor among them. A witch doctor's power over his people and their blind faith are all a part of life and death in the old Africa.